Hello viewers, welcome to another video of C, and here I'm going to teach you how to use the arithmetic operators. Before we start, just like and subscribe my channel so you get the latest updates about all the coming videos and the new lessons regarding other languages. Okay, so before we start, just give a quick recap of all those things. What our arithmetic operators are. These are the list of the arithmetic operators that can be used into the programming. Okay, and we can just directly implement it with the variables or to the direct integers. And just remember one thing, this sign does not symbolize the equality sign. Okay, it is an assignment operator. Just remember that it's an assignment operator. It will transfer the value from the left side. Whatever the value are placed on the right hand side, it will be transferred to the left hand side. Okay, it will not compare the two values if you use a single assignment operator, that is single equals to. Okay, and if you want to just have a review about all those things which I've taught you, you can just go back to the previous videos. I've given it into the description link. You can just check it out about the operators and other things. Okay, so let's start coding. Hey guys, welcome to the part 3 of arithmetic operator videos. Now I'm going to teach you how to use the multiplication operator, that is the asterisk sign. Okay, dot h. So I hope you have done the homework I told you for doing this subtraction of 4 variables altogether. Yeah, if you have not done, in the upcoming videos I'm going to tell you how you can do that. Okay, so this is it, int a, b and c. Now look, if you are getting confused, you can simply do this thing as well. Okay, I think these, the way of writing of variables like this, or writing in a single line with a comma operator, it's all the same. Okay, just remember that the type has to be homogeneous. You cannot use the heterogeneous type. Okay, if you assign it in a single line with a comma operator, then it will be the homogeneous type. Okay, now this is okay, we have reached this here. Same thing as usual. Statements are very important. Okay, f only one, scanf. So percentage d comma and a. Okay, printf only two, scanf percentage d, slippery fingers, and b. Okay, so here we are now. Operator. Okay, so simply use the asterisk. The asterisk sign is used by shift 8. Okay, def d comma c. We have got all this. Let's compile with Alt F9 and run the program. Okay, so here we have the value 1, that is 12, and let's put second value be 6. As we know, 12 into 6 is 72, and yes, we get the correct answer out of it. The best thing about it is that you can multiply as many values as you want in sequence. Suppose I just add 10 to it. So what answer I'll get if I just put the same values again is 12, 6 into 10 that is previously assigned to that particular operation will give me 720. Look, this is a different thing because I have added this 10 into the multiplication series. So what it has done is it has multiplied 10 with B first, then with A first, and then it has transferred it to C. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple program of multiplication. Multiplication of 2 values, 3 values, 4 values, whatever you like. Okay, so just do some practice and we'll see you in the next video.